Dear students, we are going to see our first lesson of history, how, when and where. This same name from which class we started to study? From 6th standard. How important are dates? We studied in 6th standard again. And we same thing only it is coming in most of the things. And here next one it is which dates. And next one it is how do we periodize. That is one of the little bit new topic, not that much clearly given in 7th standard, given like that the medieval ancient period, medieval period and the modern period. Then it is given like that pre-British period, after British period, in like that three different way. And in very rare books we can see that Hinduism period, then coming Christianity period, and a mix up of all the religion like that way. So that is another one topic what we want to study. And what is colonial? Because here in 8th standard we are going to study how these colonies are developed, especially in India. So what it mean, colonial means, how it came, that colonial word, and like that things we are going to see. Then from where we will get understanding about the colonial period, that is the administration procedure record, that is the one of the method. Then another method, survey, they conducted many surveys, conducted forest survey, village survey, like that, land record, like that. Then like these two things majorly we can see. From that we are getting partial understanding. According to their need they conducted survey, and also we are getting the partial understanding. At the same time we want to talk to the common people. We want to read the stories written by the ordinary people, what the folklores was there on that time, like that things. If you are listening, we can understand in better way what really happened on that time. Why the British people, when they are conducting survey for their sake, not for the sake of the Indian people, not for the sake of poor people. So normally what will happen, that survey what they conducted or what things they recorded, that may be partially. Some examples also given here. Even now if you are looking our Indian situation, we can see the newspaper reports coming. In last year we have seen in media lesson we have seen two reports. First report it was supporting the industrialists. Second report it was supporting the common people, those who was living there. Like that way these reports also coming in a different aspects. So when we are reading the things, we want to understand what is their aim or their objective, what agenda they kept for making these things. For example, now we are having online class. What is the intention behind that? Any agenda behind that, like that you want to think in a critic way. You want to, sometimes we want to learn to criticize others also. Sometimes we want to criticize others also. First we can start to criticize myself. How I attended my last year classes. I developed some of my skills or not. If I am writing a small write-up about my last year study, last year activities, how I am feeling, what is my feeling, am I happy about it? Some students, I know that 100% sincerely they done everything, what all activities given by any teacher they done properly. Some of the students partially completed, some of the students not at all done anything, not at all attended any video class also, not attended many class test also, worksheets also not completed. Okay, so that is your attitude, your interest. Okay, I am not saying like that you should do. It is your need, not my need. If you are learning, if you are continuously learning, you can understand things well. Then WHO, with this one they conducted some surveys, and they find out like that students are losing their reading skill, their writing skill, and their mathematical skill, problem solving skill. Why? Now parents are there to protect. When you was there in school, you was behaving with your peer group. So if you are facing many problems, some problems we will try to by ourselves. So now we are not getting like that chance. If you are saying some small problem like that, parents are ready to help us, they are ready to solve that things. So sometimes because of our negligence we may lost some of our skills. So you can find out which skills I lost, or how I am feeling, my feeling about my last year classes. Am I happy about my own performance? Not the teacher's performance. I am saying different teachers, they are teaching in different way. Like that, things are there. That's not a matter. According to you may study from some other apps what is available in online, or some YouTube. From YouTube you may study many things. I'm not only saying the textbook studies, the things what is there in science book, maths book, social book. Not only that one, total your understanding, your learning, or your creativity, your analysis, everything you want to think, and how you are feeling. Are you happy? After this video, just send smiley. If you are very happy, you can send smiley face. If you are not feeling happy, you can send sad face. If you are really feeling like that, really means distress like that, then you can take smiley faces according to that, and you can upload in the new app. Okay, by this I am stopping. Okay, we will meet next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.